What's going on, guys? Back at it again with another video. And so first of all, I'll be going to the lake today, and that's going to be pretty fun. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys in a bit. Let me see if we can teleport there. And we're here. Yay. And yeah, we're back. And it's windy. That's annoying. There's another boat here, and I have no clue why it's here. Yeah, the only thing we're going to do today is swim. I was planning on going to onto the boat, but yeah, that did not. Yeah, I don't think we're going to do that because look at the weather. It's shit. But it's sunny sometimes. Cover was pulled off from the wind. Jeez. Yeah, I'm going to get ready. Probably get some food and yeah, catch you guys later. Okay, so I basically got my swimming wear on. What else? Yeah. I'm just kidding, why would I do that? But apparently we're going to be out on the boat. Also, we usually play roof ball here. Then the swing set. Nothing really special. It's private, so don't go. Is the downstairs open? No? No. Do we have the keys for it? Okay. They have popsicles in there. Momentarily, we will get this open. Yay. Oh, it smells weird in here. Jackpot. Yeah. What to do, what to do. If you guys didn't know, right here, as you can see, is that thing over there. This thing right here. Oh my God, stop with the wind. Like an hour ago.
Why? Why did you sing your own?
Ooh.
There's a jet ski.
Ah! There's a jet ski. Come here. Aw. Damn it. Okay, so we will be going in the lake soon. Well, on the boat. But yeah, let's see what happens. And it's probably going to be still windy. See you guys in a little bit. Well, my finger really hurts a lot because the tube fell out of the boat and the rope, like, I try to get the rope. Wait, stop! My finger really hurts, and yeah, it stings, and oh man, I had a lot of fun. I didn't get to film the me tubing because there's only 3 people and 2 people were tubing and there's 1 driver. But yeah, luckily, great news is that I can finally backflip. Before I didn't know how, like, well, I did. I could backflip on ground, but so now since I went out there and did a backflip, I think I'm able to start doing backflips again. So I'm so happy for that. Oh my God, there's duckies. Well, that was cool. Okay, I guess we're done right now. I just went wake surfing. I really wanted to record it, but I didn't want to because I wanted to have my own fun. I'm sorry, but next time I will record it. Yeah, we will be going right now. I guess I'll have some kind of edit of me going home. Yeah. Peace out, guys. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun, and so did my brother and sister. Can't wait to go again. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and until next time.